I can't remember what it's like to hold one you love by your side. Or maybe I just can't seem to sing to save my life. When I'm with you, there's no reason for one. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you,
Can you stop the filming now?
it's funny to think you should know. Oh, and it's love when we've lost control. Maybe for once I can finally find my home. When I'm with you, there's no reason for nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you, when I'm with you,
Let me see that ring.
that
Been a long time
was
coming, but it's well deserved.
Yes, sir.
Cheers. Salud.
I can't miss
Let's toast to that
this.
though.
Oh,
Cheers.
when I'm with you, now I can see everything all around me. Oh, when I'm with you, I can see everything fall into place so perfectly. Every time when I'm with you,
Good job.
when I'm with you, there's no reason for one.
Yeah.
I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with when I'm with you, there's no reason for one. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching.
Congratulations! Love you to a lifetime of happiness, wealth, and health. Woo!
You guys are probably we strive to be the couple that you are because you guys are both truly amazing individually,
Stop making me cry.
and I love you guys very much.
My sister. All right. All right.
We are so
Alright.
happy for you,
Yes.
and we cannot wait for the dragon
Yes,
babies
we
to come.
want a niece or nephew. I'm ready. Congratulations.
One of them. Thank you.
I can't do that.
Take it out. Take it out, okay? I'll do Jen. Okay?
Congratulations. Bro.
Congratulations. We want to thank you for being such great friends, and we wish you a very happy engagement and a very happy married life soon with lots of kids.
To Robert.
To Robert and Jen.
To Robert and Jen.
Thank you so much, guys.
Although we may not been as close as we would like to be, but just know that Kitty and I will always support you near or far.
Today onwards, we'll be closer.
Today onwards,
Yes.
we'll be closer.
Build a bond
All of that can
together.
change. Yeah,
Yes.
but just know at this very moment that we are always here for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right? Thank you. Now, you ready?
I don't know what to say, but I wish you guys a happy engagement and a happy life too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Matthew.
Congrats.
I am very happy to have met you both, and I am very appreciative of the both of you in letting me into your lives. And thank you, Robert, so much for allowing me to be friends with you in such a short amount of time when we first initially met. And I look to you as like a bigger brother. So that I thank you.
Thank you.
And to Daijie.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. And I hope you guys have and enjoy your new journey and your new chapter in life. And me and Natasha will be joining you.
Yes,
Shortly.
Too, I think I have enough composure to talk. I've been both your best friends for some time. And I've done nothing but grow and get better and better because you guys are both in my life. Yeah, I can't imagine where I'd be without you two. I hope you guys continue to be part of my life, and I'm very happy to watch this new chapter with you guys. It's almost like it's family, and there's nothing better. I wish you guys nothing but the best. I know that just because you guys deserve nothing less. Thank you so much for always taking care of me, supporting me through my times, and I will forever lay down my life for you too. That's a fact.
Oh, we love you, Daniel. Thank you.
Never doubt it. I'll put down my life for both of you, without a question. I love you guys so much.
We love you too. Thank you.
Words will never be
Lifetime of
enough.
friendship.
Words will never be able to express gratitude you guys have given me over the years. And there's more than words can put into perspective. I think you guys can feel it. And I think that's enough. Love you, Daniel. I love you, brother. So, start a new chapter, huh?
Yes.
New book.
Huh?
Get ready. Power book 2, huh?
Let's see.